Hi everyone, this is Vincent from MarineMax in Clearwater, and today I'll be walking you through our 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. As we start out back, this particular Dauntless is powered with a 350 horsepower Mercury Verado. We have the hydraulic porter bracket on the back. This 270 Vantage is equipped with the Pro Anglers package, which gives you that hydraulic porter bracket, a mounting platform for a trolling motor and trolling motor panel, along with a mounting bracket for a power pole and some extra spreader lights. As we move into the bow of the boat, you'll notice the transom seat has a nice high back, very comfortable, one of the best in the industry, and it conveniently folds down into a casting platform. Behind the leaning post, we have freshwater washdown and very deep live well with some rod holders. Our helm seat has double flip-up bolsters, Mercury vessel view, Fusion stereo, very spacious head on the 270 Dauntless. As we move forward to the bow, this is where things really get exciting. Plenty of room up here for passengers. You can pull the cushions off and you can fish all day. Big coffin box, deep storage with steps down inside, featuring two 5-gallon buckets. Both loungers up here flip up. There's your trolling motor panel. This particular Dauntless also has a windlass anchor. If you'd like to hear more about this 270 Dauntless or any of our other boats, you can reach me here at the store at area code 727-536-BOAT. Or you can hit me up on my personal cell phone. That's area code 803-760-0609. Thank you for joining me, and once again, this has been Vincent from MarineMax in Clearwater.